that's my fucking problem. And yeah, I like the fuck, I got a fucking problem. I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem. And
good morning, YouTube. Hey, my friends and I are going to the Yossi fair at like around 3. Right now, I'm just getting coffee and I'm going to my friend's house to hang out. Maybe sleep some more, I'm not sure, but that's what we're doing right now. We're trying to get piped up tonight. I am currently getting ready. I just finished taking a shower. I got home like not too long ago and then I immediately hopped in the shower to get ready for the fair. Currently 2:11 and we're leaving at 3, so I think I'm pretty on time. Burned myself like not too long ago. It's pretty gnarly and it hurts really bad, like it's burning my hand, but basically because I had a tag on this shirt, I was too lazy to get scissors, and so I decided to burn it. Instead of burning the tag off, I burned my hand. Like the fire climbed up to the tag and then it burned my hand, and I didn't realize it was burning my hand. I was just like, oh fuck, it's burning me. So yeah, and it hurts. I regret it. I should have just gotten the scissors. You know what? You learn from your mistakes, and this is my mistake, and I gotta learn not to be lazy. Hello. So I'm in my car and I am on my way to my friend's house to pick him up. I just wanted to like talk for a minute. I just wanted to say that everything you see, like it's so easy to make your life seem perfect on the internet, even though it's not. Not everything on the internet, not everyone on the internet is like perfect. They don't have the perfect life, and it's so easy to make your life seem perfect on social media because you can just cut out the scenes that you don't want there. I got this girl who messaged me. She was like, "You're living my dream life," and I was like, I replied to her, I was like, what do you mean I'm living your dream life? If you mean the life I have on social media, then I wish my life was like that too. I wish my life was perfect, but in this case, it's completely not. Like I go through some issues, I go through some problems that I don't tell anyone, but my friends and my family, whenever I have those days, I just decide not to post on Instagram, or I don't do videos, or I don't vlog and stuff like that. So I just cut it all off. I want you guys to see the happy side of me and only the positive side. I don't want you guys to watch me like complain or mourn and stuff like that, because like I know a lot of people follow me on Instagram, follow me on Tumblr, follow me on Twitter or YouTube because I somehow hopefully make you guys happy and make you in a good mood, you know? But sometimes it's just not the way it seems. Like I go through some problems myself, and I'm not the only person who can say that. I know everyone goes through that. I just wanted you guys to know to like appreciate and cherish the life that you have. It may not be the life that you imagine yourself you want to have, but it's a life, and you should be grateful for every single day you wake up, every single day you see your family, every single day you see your friends. You should be thankful for that, because some people don't have that. And life doesn't last that long. Life doesn't always last forever. One day it's all gonna stop, and the only thing you should be thinking about is how can I live my life to the fullest extent. Life isn't always great. Life isn't always perfect. Life's not always great, but you can make it the life that you want to have. Like it's up to you to make that yourself, to make the life that you want. Don't compare your life or yourself to other people, especially people on the internet. Like it's all up to you. It's all up to yourself to make things happen. Don't compare your life to other people. You have your own life for a reason. Be thankful for it and just live to the fullest extent you can. Be out there. I hope you guys enjoyed that pep talk. I'm gonna start heading over to my friend's house because I'm just currently parked outside my house. Life is hard, but you just gotta pipe it up. Break check him.
Pipe it up. I walk in the club just to pipe it up. I stand on the stage and I pipe it up. Shoot the money ball like Steve Kerr. Pop it up.
Swirl Swirl. So we're here at the Orange Fair.
What are you doing?
Piping it up. I'ma hit it one time, I'm a piper. When I hit it 2 times and I like her. When I fuck 3 times and I love her. When it's
You look so problematic.
You didn't even tell me my hair was fucked up? That's foul.
No, it's not.
That's foul, dog.
Cute.
He was like that all the way.
piping it up. Don't get pregnant, Ty. Okay, they started eating my food. Oh my god.
It hits you hard. Are you recording?
Treyway. Oh, we left the place.
But Billy.
No, Billy, and then I'll put it.
Fucking Treyway. Fucking Treyway. This part.
AC with the coolest tell when you come into the club, you blazing up. Your stacks on the deck like you're blazing up. And you ill, you real, you might get a deal. You pop my color, right color down. You go, your motherfucking trip, so shit. When you make your trip, come on, live. That's what you gotta do. And I was like, yes, you get stopped, you know. That excuse me, you have. Oh, yes, I did. Somebody please tell me what the F I is. I'm Nicki Minaj, I'm Matthew Loser.
I'm gonna sing with y'all, hold on. Lyrics, bro. Give me a minute. Hello.
Wait, video. Why is it Spanish?
Anyway.
Bruh. Pipe it up. Swaggy. Swaggy.
By tomorrow, she's gonna
That was $19.99. I'm not fucking stupid. What the fuck was that?
What'd you buy, fool?
Bruh, I'm not fucking stupid here. What are you trying to buy? Holy shit.
Fuck with me and get some money. Hey, fuck with me and get some money. No limit, I'm a fucking soldier. Hey, always late, yeah, I'm never sober. It's been 3 days in a row, your bitch coming up.
Pipe it up.
Chillin'. I'm so tired.
Finish, Steppenwolf. This city is under my protection. Voice changer.
Hello? I'm Batman. Ready to go home. It's currently like 12:30, I think. Hope you guys like this vlog. I don't know if it was entertaining enough, but I hope it was. I think it's pretty funny. But everyone's just chilling here, you know. Everyone's just like I'll show you. But yeah, basically my whole family is like taking over this place. There's so many of them. I can't even count how much of them are here. There's so many, and like I don't understand. I'm only going home now. It's currently like 1:10 or something like that, and I am so tired. Hopefully this is enough footage for one video, but we'll see tomorrow. I'll see you guys in a bit.
If finding somebody real is your fucking problem, bring your girls to the crib, maybe we can solve it. Hold up, bitches in my dime. Taking hella long, bitch, give it to me now. Make that thing pop like it's in me over 9. Ooh, baby.